Hello, this is Jasmine. I'm glad to introduce final drive production line for you here. Firstly, we can see here is a ring gear processing machine, a CNC gear shaving machine which was 3 million yuan. This is a fully automatic machine. Its advantage is that it has high processing accuracy and ensures work efficiency. These semi-finished ring gears will be processed into complete ring gears with internal teeth. Then look at here, these are the blanks of the travel motor housings, and this is our semi-automatic processing machine, the vertical lathe. Its advantage is high processing accuracy. After grinding and polishing on a vertical lathe, these blanks will be processed into complete travel motor housing. This is one of the most proud process of our factory, the fully automated processing machine for travel motors. You only need to set the program, and the automatic robot will operate to process these blanks into complete travel motors. This fully automated processing machine includes 3 processes. 2 vertical lathes are responsible for processing the front and back of the travel motor, and a drilling machine drills holes for the travel motor. The operation of the automatic robot will be more precise, and ultimately, we will get more stable quality of travel motors. This is one of the manual installation workshop, assembly line of the final drive. This is the assembly step of our final drive. This is one of final drive test bench in factory. Each final drive will undergo quality inspection before leaving the factory. It is to ensure that the product quality is stable and reliable. On average, 400 pigs of final drive need to be inspected every day in the factory. The last process I will introduce is the paint shop for the final drive. The final drives which has passed the quality inspection will be spray painted by workers. After the paint is dry, they will be packed and put into matching boxes at the factory. The monthly output of final drive is more than 9,500 units. As you can see here, all of these are the final drives and travel reduction ready to be painted. Belparts will always provide you the best products and services. Welcome to send us more inquiries.